Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to reverse a video in Capcut. So first of all, let's go ahead right here into opening our Capcut, and let's go ahead to opening our new project. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here and open this new project in our workshop, and I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, and this is the video that I wanted to reverse. Okay, so let's say for example I want to reverse this part. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead right here into splitting this dance. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just delete the rest of them. Okay, and I'm gonna just go ahead right here into copying this exact dance. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead right here into copy. All right, and you're gonna see right here, if you swiped a little bit right, you gotta see an option called reverse. So there is no like weird cut or anything. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here into clicking reverse, and I'm gonna wait out for a few seconds right here. Okay, I'm gonna just mute this sound because maybe it has copyright or anything. I'm gonna just go ahead right here into muting. Okay, I'm gonna mute the same right here. Alright, and as you can see, I'm gonna play this for right now, this dance. Okay, as you can see right here, the video has been reversed right here. Turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.